and welcome guys. Hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video. So in this video we are continuing the green taxi app. So in this video we will be working on completing this profile setting screen, right? So once we verify the received OTP, user should be redirected to this profile setting screen. So we will be working on the flow after we complete the UI, right? So for now I'm going to switch this login screen with the profile setting screen that I have already created in order to save some of your times. Let me show you what it's inside this profile screen. I'm going to restart the app so the changes get reflected on the screen. So you guys can see I have already created this profile setting app. uh, in this profile setting screen dot file I have created 4 text editing controllers because I have 4 fields to fill. As you guys can see over here, I have name field, home address, business address and shopping center address, and another is we have to upload our image, right? So for text fields I have created 4 text editing controllers, and after this you guys can see this is this profile setting area with this circle icon. I have created a container with 40% of the height available. Inside that container I have used tag that contains green intro widget without logos. So basically this is this green widget that you guys can see. And then I have created this circle avatar which contains uh, icon camera art outside. If I show you the widget that I have created for you guys, it contains only a box decoration that has an asset image, and then I have a container, and the end center I have created profile setting text. Okay guys, after this I have size box of 20, and then I'm working on this particular area. So if you guys can see, there is a consistency between padding from the left side and to the right side in all the 5 widgets, 1 2 3 4 and this 5, right? So what I did is I just created a container and gave it padding of symmetric, and inside that container I have used a column widget. So basically this constraint is applied on the whole column. So I have created text field widget. Let me show you. This is a custom widget that I have created. The first argument is title, icon data and text editing controller. So basically it is using column again. This is text, and again I have this text field. So this is the widget that I have already created. After this I have used this widget for almost 4 times because we have 4 text fields right out there. And after this I have created green button, which is again a custom widget. This is the code of green button. It takes a title and on press, and I'm using a material button for this, and all the stuff are written out there. So when you click on any of the text fields, suppose I'm clicking on this, now it is responsive. Let me write Usama, sorry, Usama Quraishi. So yeah, one thing that we have to do, if you guys have noted, we have to apply some styling on the internal text, right? So where the text is here, we have custom widget for it, text field widget, and in order to apply decoration we have to call style, and we have to copy the same style that we have applied to this text. So the style is this one. You just have to copy this and paste right over here and control S. So yeah, you guys can see it's been using the same styling that we have used on these two. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will share the code in the description. Please go and watch it. Thanks.